LUAN Emotional Podcast, conversations for inspiration on the go. We offer on-the-go inspiration because our whole heart is set on beauty and our best bets are set on art. Welcome to LUAN Emotional Podcast. Today, we're going to be discussing the fascinating topic of how artificial intelligence works. This is an exciting and rapidly evolving field of technology, and as it progresses, it's becoming increasingly important to understand the basics of how AI works. And why is this important and relevant right now? Well, because our world is about to change drastically, kind of like in the same sense as when the internet was created, that it completely transformed our lives, it completely transformed the way we work, completely transformed everything, and many businesses as well. They changed and they transformed and evolved into something different. So we're exactly at the same crossroads as we've been in the past when the internet was created. And this is because of artificial intelligence. It's advancing so fast, and it's not regulated at all. So let's discuss what is artificial intelligence. So AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can think and act like humans. That is the most basic definition. AI has been around for decades, and it has been used in a variety of different applications, including robotics, natural language processing, computer vision, and more. To understand better how artificial intelligence works, we need to look at the three main components that make artificial intelligence what it is. The first one is data, the second one, algorithm, and the third one is models. So let's start with the first one, the data. Data is the raw material that is used to create an artificial intelligence system. AI's system use data to learn and make decisions, and they are constantly learning from everything they have access to. This data can come from a variety of sources, including images, text, audio, and more. The second one is the algorithms. So the algorithms are the instructions that are used to process the data. AI algorithms use a series of mathematical equations and calculations to identify patterns in the data and make decisions. So it's kind of like they would have a brain in itself and could help identify those patterns and then make decisions that only humans could make. We're analyzing those patterns. And the third one is models. So models are the structures that are used to represent the data. AI models are usually built using machine learning algorithms, which allow the model to learn from data and make predictions. Okay, so now this is the basic understanding of the components of artificial intelligence. How is artificial intelligence created? And now let's dive into how artificial intelligence works. So AI systems work by using data to identify patterns and make decisions. This data is processed using algorithms and models which allow the AI to learn from the data and make constant predictions. So the most common type of AI system is supervised learning, which is when a computer is giving a set of labeled data points and it uses that data to make predictions. Another type of AI system is unsupervised learning, which is when a computer is given a set of unlabeled data points and it uses that data to make decisions. In both supervised and unsupervised learning, the AI system is constantly learning from the data and making decisions based on what it learns. So the most important thing about artificial intelligence, or what really kind of like impresses me, is that it's constantly learning. It's constantly becoming better. It's constantly getting a broader view. It's constantly expanding the vision and the knowledge of what it knows. So that is kind of like how, it makes it really, really, really trippy. So this aspect about AI, that it can learn from past experiences, means that AI systems are constantly improving and getting better at making decisions. And I know that humans, we can get better at making decisions, but we can make mistakes and errors at any age in our life. Doesn't matter that obviously we gain wisdom and experience through our life. And we, every time we become, better and learning about our past. But I'm not sure that humans, because of every time that we make decisions, we're making better decisions. I'm not quite sure about that. And AI, it happens like that. So it's constantly, these systems, the AI systems are constantly improving and getting better and better at making decisions. So that's really trippy. AI systems are also able to adapt to changes in their environment. This means that they can adapt to new data and make decisions based on that data. And finally, AI systems are able to generalize their learning. This means that they can use the data they have learned to make decisions in new situations that have never been presented before. So you can still kind of like keep on tricking AI, and AI will still be getting better the more that it uses those decisions. As you can see, artificial intelligence is an incredibly powerful technology, and it can be used to automate processes, identify patterns, and make predictions. AI is also becoming increasingly important in our everyday lives. From self-driving cars to voice recognition systems, AI is becoming more and more pervasive in our lives. AI nowadays it's in art, it's in audio, in sound, in making presentations, in responding your emails as if it was you, in anything that you're looking for. I'm sure that there's this, AI webpage that could help you with that, creating copies for your posts on social media, being able to write your emails so you can send them on your CRM system, anything. So this is kind of like a brief introduction, very quick and easy, of how artificial intelligence works. Now, let's dive deep into what it is, the potential future of the world with the help of artificial intelligence. So in the second part of this episode, we're going to explore how AI could shape the future of our lives and how it could be used in different ways to help us improve our lives and our environment. Okay? So we've already covered that AI is a form of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can think and act like humans. That is the most basic definition that we know. And AI can be used to help solve complex problems, make decisions, and even create new products for us. So AI already is being used in many different ways around the world today. For example, AI is used in facial recognition technology to help detect and identify criminals. AI is also used in self-driving cars and autonomous robots, which are becoming increasingly common. AI is also used in medical research to help doctors diagnose and treat diseases with way more accuracy than human beings. Because if you take a picture of your throat with artificial intelligence, it can identify many other things that probably the eye of your doctors could miss. So the future of AI is quite unclear, as it still has a relative new technology. However, many experts believe that AI will have a major impact on the future of the world, because AI could be used to automate many different tasks, from customer service to medical diagnosis, to also substituting many humans in their current jobs. AI could also be used to improve the accuracy of decision-making and to provide more personalized services. And that is an amazing point, because I know that many jobs are going to be substituted by artificial intelligence, but at the same time, it could make ourselves become better at our jobs if we start using artificial intelligence right now, because it can help us. If you're working in marketing, it could help you do all of your communication better. If you're working in photography, if you're a doctor, anything that you are, it's quite important to right now start involving yourself with artificial intelligence to help make your work, more efficient, more practical, and with more information than maybe you would have. So AI could also, I love this part, because AI could also be used to help protect the environment. AI could be used to monitor air and water quality and to detect and prevent pollution. AI could also be used to detect and prevent illegal activities such as poaching and illegal logging. And that could help us a lot to protect our trees, our forests, and our animals. So it's not only desperation that's coming, we can have many, many, many new opportunities around the corner. And finally, AI could be used to improve the quality of life of people. AI could be used to provide better healthcare services, to help people find jobs, and to assist in providing education and training. AI could also be used to help people with disabilities by providing more personalized services and assistance. So we know that AI has come over here to revolutionize completely our lives and to disrupt the technology sector as we know it. It's here, it has arrived already, it's time, and we're there. So I think with all the research we've done here in LUAN, the recommendations is start using artificial intelligence for your jobs, because eventually it's going to make you better at anything that you're doing. Just try experimenting and checking different places and different web pages and different apps. And there's so many things out there, that it right now it could start making our lives way easier. But not everything is, cotton candy here. The big issue, and I find this point quite interesting, is if AI should be regulated before it keeps growing and growing. And we know that, AI, because it gets, it's constantly learning and it's getting better and better the more it learns, then eventually we don't know if we're creating something that could eventually harm us if it's not ethically regulated. So the ethical regulation, it's a very, very, very strong point. A few weeks ago, the top, CEOs of many big tech companies came out in a big statement of starting to stop the development around the world of artificial intelligence and to regulate it before. And obviously the answer of the market was, it's too late, right? And I know that it's too late, but at some point it would be interesting just to kind of have that ethical framework on assist humans to become better, but at some point not to harm humans, because we could be also creating a machine that could eventually cause many things that we don't know yet about them. So in conclusion, AI has a potential to revolutionize the future of the world. AI could be used to automate many different tasks to improve decision making and to protect the environment. AI could also be used to improve the quality of life of people and to provide more personalized services specified for animals, for environment, for humans, for specific sectors. The potential that it has, it's insane. I don't even know if we've really grasped the potential that AI has and will be having in the next years in our life. And it's interesting that we are, this generation, anyone who's alive right now, could eventually start seeing the impact of artificial intelligence in our lives, because it's going to happen really fast, really fast. So, well, anyways, that's a brief introduction of how artificial intelligence works. I hope this has given you a better understanding of this fascinating technology. Thanks for listening, and be sure to tune in for more episodes of LUAN Emotional Podcasts. Be sure to check back for more episodes, and as always, stay curious. Want to keep the conversation going? LUAN, the world's first emotional museum, designed a global online experience to inspire and explore. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, and visit our site at luanmuseum.com to engage creatively.